मैंने अपना नेटवर्क बहुत अच्छे से चेक कर लिया है. सो आकांक्षा विल जॉइन अस वेरी सून. आई डोंट नो क्या हो रहा है विद माई नेटवर्क, और इज इट विद माई नेटवर्क और विद नेटवर्क. ये तो नेटवर्क खुद नहीं बता सकता कि नेटवर्क किसका खराब है. उनका खराब है कि हमारा खराब है. एक्चुअली दिस इज द प्रॉब्लम. ओके, so there are a lot of people who are joining us. Welcome to the live session. So this live is dedicated to obviously Akanksha, and I'm very excited to to have a conversation with her. But ये network, इसकी परेशानी, I'm not sure about it. Like it was my network or it's her network. I'm not sure about it. Okay, hi Vandana, how are you? Namaskar. Awesome, bro. All right. Awesome क्या है? Tell me. Hi Zoyan, how are you? Okay, so is she here or not? Let me see that. Okay, she's not here right now. To keep, have to keep check. Keep her. It's a slow now. It is slow now. Like am I visible to you guys? Like lag तो नहीं कर रहा है, मतलब ऐसा तो नहीं हो रहा that मेरी वॉइस अलग से आपको आ रही हो, ऐसा कुछ हो रहा है? ओके, नाउ शी हैव सेंट मी अ रिक्वेस्ट. लेट्स होप फॉर द बेस्ट. फिंगर्स क्रॉस्ड. ओह,
Last and final.
थैंक यू सो मच. Like I was actually, I was very doubtful कि like it was my network or it's your network.
Now you saw
Because
it was yours?
No, it was your network.
But what has changed? Please tell me in my network. I'm sitting right here.
See, I'll tell you. I'll tell you. My network is like it's very महंगा वाला network. So obviously. Sorry for the lame jokes and sorry for the lame lines, but I'll start it again. Okay.
Then continue the questions.
Yeah. So Akanksha, where you? I want to ask you all those questions again because this video will be very important for us. But not all the questions. Okay. So first of all, welcome to the live session, and once again, welcome to the live session, and thank you for joining us. And so the question is like, ऐसा बड़े एक्टर्स के साथ भी होता है कि like I just want to ask you again, काउडंग वाला scene.
नहीं, मैं जब मेरे घर से निकलती हूँ सब काउस कुत्ते दूसरे साइड चले जाते हैं.
Improvising your question answer यार, you're improvising your answer. कितना बढ़िया था पहले वाला. Like मैं जहाँ से निकलती हूँ.
They don't shit your people who are in films. They know better than that. They shit only in your RJs. Means
I don't know what's happening. Like seriously. मुझे अभी भी नेटवर्क का बहुत दुख है. Actually मुझे बहुत दुख है. मैं सच में ये एक बार खत्म होगा लाइव तो मैं अपना नेटवर्क सच में चेक करूंगा. Give me an update. It was my network. It was your network. Okay. So the next question is, who is your backbone? Like, who is more supportive, your mom or your dad?
My mom 100%.
Okay. One thing you like about your dad and one thing you dislike about your dad.
What I like about my dad is I feel like he's been through so much in life. He's like a warrior. Like obviously all of us come to points when our lives are like, F it, want to give up, can't do it. No, like never in his life will he tell us to give up on anything, like even if it seems impossible. So he's very like, anything can happen, go get it. What I don't like is he's very keh diya bas keh diya, very like that. Okay, like no, but why? Because I said no, but why no? So it's like to break past him is very irritating. So yeah.
कभी ऐसा हुआ है that आपने अपने पापा से झूठ बोला और आप मतलब किसी रीजन की वजह से आपने झूठ बोला अपने पापा से? Like हम तो बोलते रहते हैं.
आप पूछो कि कभी ऐसा हुआ है, कभी ऐसा नहीं हुआ है, is the question. Of course, which young daughter doesn't lie to their Vikram Fadnis, I've taken a Ludo break today because my eyes are burning because I was playing till 4 a.m. yesterday. Please, bad influence.
Are you a Ludo player? Are you a pro Ludo player?
Hello, today I've switched off my phone from 11 a.m. till about 4 p.m. My phone was off because my eyes are killing me. I've removed like 7-8 books and I've been reading because I can't go on my phone because Ludo is making my eyes and my head hurt. Yeah, this is all I do all day. I've gone mad.
Vikram is asking, are you single?
Yes.
Okay. Vikram bhai, she's single.
Vikram is known to
And
cold call relationships. He's
oh, seriously?
means lies
Vikram,
relationships.
we need you. Please stay here. Okay. So the next question is, कभी ऐसा हुआ है school में like any embarrassing moment like which you remember still?
So many are. Me and my girlfriends had to clean, do jadu pocha for like 1 month every day after school because we had bunked and we got caught. So that was not fun.
Oh.
Me and six of my girlfriends, we had sneaked out, we had jumped out of the balcony, like of the railing, and we got caught, and we had to do punishment was jadu pocha every day for 1 month after. That's when we realized how messy children.
ऐसा नहीं होता कि बाद में छोड़ देते हैं कि चलो बेटा तुम तो बहुत अच्छे हो जाओ, ऐसा कभी नहीं हुआ?
1 month के बाद, then on the last day they gave us perk and ice cream and all they gave us, but yeah, but they made us do.
Are you playing a game except Ludo? Are you playing any other game?
I'm playing Mono Deal with my mom and sister every day. We play Uno. Yeah.
Okay. There is one more question. Which is your favorite food? Which is your favorite dish?
I was answering this only. I like ghar ka khana. I'm always eating home food, but like if not, I like junk. So I have a lot of like pizza and French fries and milkshakes and junky stuff.
बस इससे ज्यादा हम सुन नहीं पाएंगे, लॉकडाउन चल रहा है.
I understand.
Have you tried anything like आपने ऐसा कुछ घर पे ट्राई किया, ऐसा कोई जंक फूड?
Cooking I can't do, but yeah, my sister and my mom made herself a pizza yesterday. She made herself a burger. My favorite designer is Vikram Fadnis. I know it's in your question somewhere, so I just thought I'd mention it before you ask. Yeah, so like that. But I'm dieting. I was doing this 40-day challenge. So like since the last 50-60 days, I'm dieting.
So you're doing 40 days challenge?
I finished it, so now I'm just doing it for another 2 weeks.
Give me some inspiration.
You're getting fat. That's the inspiration. Don't get
okay. fat. अगला सवाल ये, people are saying that आप हिंदी में बात कर सकते हैं, बिल्कुल बात कर सकते हैं हम लोग हिंदी में. Okay, so the अगला सवाल is ये है कि अच्छा who was your आपका प्रिय मित्र कौन था स्कूल में?
Leave ना देना दोषी चार, इसको बोलो चार चीजें. Who cares what you're doing? Why are you on my chat? गधा. हाँ, you say.
Who was he? Are you talking about Vikram?
No, are you mad? Some fool. Continue.
Okay, yeah. Who's your best friend, like from school time?
I have 2 best friends, Alia and my another friend Meghna. So since school, and my friend Devika, we've all grown up together since we're babies.
There are a lot of people who have sent me a request to ask you that how's your bond with Alia?
Great, fabulous, fantastic.
How's your bond with? There are some questions, you know. You guys are like, ये तो सब पूछते ही हैं. So this was the question, yeah. ये तो सब पूछते ही हैं, and इस पे तो है ना. And the reporters are like, you know, कैसा लग रहा है आपको, आपकी फिल्म रिलीज हो गई? Obviously अच्छा ही लग रहा होगा.
बहुत अच्छा.
Obviously अच्छा ही लग. किसी ने कभी किसी से सुना है, किसी ने कि मतलब कोई ऐसा बोले
फिल्म रिलीज हुई, इतने दुखी हैं हम, क्यों रिलीज हुई?
मैं तो कह रही थी रिलीज ही नहीं होनी चाहिए थी, फालतू में
पता नहीं कहाँ से रिलीज हो गए.
और क्या? I don't know, लोग क्यों पूछते हैं? Okay. There is one question, and that is, do you have any fantasies, like you want to do something or you want to go somewhere? Do you have any fantasies, your bucket list? Could you please tell us? Could you please discuss your bucket list with us?
Be more specific. You mean lots of love, Vikram. You mean like traveling bucket list or like just life bucket list?
Life bucket list.
What I really want to do is, and that's something I've written it on my notebook, whatever I had like many years ago. So was I always wanted to whatever I want to do. There's a lot I want to do with animals, and I don't know, between each film I want to go work for like animal shelters. I want to donate. Like there's so much I want to work for and with animals. That's something I've really aimed to do my whole life. So yeah, when I have.
You love animals.
Yeah, very deeply. So
I also love animals.
Yeah,
that's so sweet. Okay, so Vikram, you're so sweet. That's so sweet of you. You're here and helping us. Please keep doing this. Okay, then is one question. Which is your favorite film of Alia Bhatt? People are asking.
My most favorite one. Oh my God, what's wrong with my brain? Udta Punjab.
Alia Bhatt is here. Alia Bhatt is here. She's watching us.
What timing?
Hi,
Udta Punjab.
मतलब कितने सही टाइम पे she came, no? That I've just asked a question and she's here.
Yeah.
So Alia,
Yeah.
we just, yeah. Urta Punjab, na?
Yeah.
Urta Punjab is actually, Shahid is there. Shahid is there and Alia is there.
Yeah.
Both are my favorites.
Yeah.
Like one scene you love the most from Urta Punjab.
Now then say one dialogue. The one where she just breaks
I'll
up.
ask you one dialogue.
That one part where I just have a vague memory where she's at, I think she was running away and then she fell on the haystack. And there was some haystack again and she's yelling and screaming. And she was speaking in that dialect. I didn't even know what the hell she was saying, but that. Definitely.
I to love that scene. जिसमें वो शाहिद कपूर आता है ना कि when
You know, I have such
he
bad
put it up.
memory. I don't remember films. So I have
Okay,
no idea
let's-
what you're talking about.
Okay, there is one more question. अगर आपको मौका मिलता है ना, कि जितनी भी फिल्म्स बनी हैं उन फिल्म से एक फिल्म में आपको एक्ट करना हो, सो वो फिल्म कौन सी हो?
Queen.
क्वीन. Why?
Look at the performance.
Is
Look
there
at what
any
all she had to do.
specific
Yeah.
reason?
Such an amazing film. Like, it was all about her. I think it was amazing. And it was
Okay.
tough. It was tough, yeah.
Okay. Which is the one thing you are doing regularly in your quarantine routine?
Workout every day.
Okay. Any घर का काम which you are doing right now?
Spreading love.
Huh?
Spreading love.
You're not doing anything. You're not helping your family.
I'm helping them stay positive. And what else? That's the biggest gift.
That's so sad. You are not doing anything for your home, no?
Physical work is one, but mentally people need to stay.
So you're helping them to stay fit or to stay positive. Okay. What is the struggle story? Like when you have started and how you have started?
I mean, it's as any, I think, actors would be. I've been auditioning for a long ass time, and lots of films I wanted and I didn't get. Lots and lots of films I wanted and I didn't get, and then whatever, every day was another test, and then finally this one worked out. In a nutshell, that's what happened, but it was a long time coming.
Okay. Favorite Ranbir Kapoor film? Somebody is asking.
Tamasha? Wake Up Fit?
Tamasha.
Oh!
Yeah, you have a very good choices, yaar.
But I like this genre.
Seriously.
I mean, I don't like
Yeah,
funny
Tamasha.
movies.
I love Tamasha. I love Udta Punjab. And Article 15 was not my that favorite, but
51.
But you,
No, oh, it was 15. The,
Article 51.
15.
I'm also confused now. Article 15. Article 15. It was Article 15.
15.
Yeah,
Okay.
it was Article 15.
Huh. Yeah.
Article 15 was
Thank you, Mahika.
not that favorite,
Hmm.
but yes. Okay. How was the experience working with Kiara Advani, with all those people? who was on the
Amazing,
set
yeah.
of
Amazing.
it?
We always knew each
Any-
other socially. Huh.
Could you please share a memory of that film or the set?
Sorry, can I just reply to Shashwat? I check all your DMs. I check everyone's all DMs. Sorry. Huh. It was great. So we Kiara and I know each other socially. So we knew each other, and when we met in office, we were like, okay, hi, hello. Then we started doing a lot of readings together. So we were like, okay, cool. Seems like we can be friends. And then whatever, we got onto set, and it was great because we did everything together. We used to gym, go on set. We used to hang out in her trailer all the time, and now also we're very, very close. We chat all the time and meet, and yeah, it's great. It was just amazing.
Okay. Somebody's asking web series or big screen?
Both have their own charm. Of course, I want to do a big screen film, undoubtedly, but like web gave me what I have today, so I love it.
But why web or why big screen?
Why
Like,
not
why
either?
the cinema?
See, at the end, what actor को क्या करना है, काम करना है और लोगों को दिखाना है. जहाँ भी दिखे, that's not the point. Cinema, because obviously it has its loving audience, okay, and you want that. Who doesn't want that? But web, it's like the kind of reach it has right now, and the kind of stuff, like at least the kind of reach Guilty got. I couldn't have asked for anything better. So definitely.
Yeah. Okay. Who's your favorite actor? Who's your favorite Bollywood actor?
Irfan Khan. I've always said it. Yeah.
So, जब मैंने अपना रेडियो स्टार्ट किया था, मैं वापस जोन में चले जाऊंगा, बट व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड माय रेडियो करियर, तो जैसे मैंने मतलब आई स्टार्टेड ऑन 15th of January at 2 PM एंड वो हमारे ऑफिस पे आए थे ऑन 10th of January 2 PM.
Oh shit.
So,
Yeah.
मुझे बहुत मुझे उम्मीद थी कि मैं कभी वापस मिलूंगा
Yeah.
उनसे, मुझे
Yeah.
ऐसा लगता था. Okay, so the question is, any plans for future? Like, what are you planning?
Many plans for future, but currently there's only present. So let's wait for future to start and फिर देखते हैं.
Okay.
Yeah.
Quarantine को क्या कहना चाहते हो?
Quarantine को
Yes.
get out and stay out means what do you
Okay.
want me to say?
मैं एक अपना क्वेश्चन पूछ लूं, if you'll allow me.
हाँ.
Okay, so the question is, आपको बताना है कि डोली सज धज के क्यों बैठी है. So the people who are following me right now, please अपने आंसर अपने पास रखिएगा. So मैं ये सवाल बहुत लोगों से पूछता हूँ, बट लोग नहीं जवाब दे पाते. डोली सज धज के क्यों बैठी है?
Zero idea.
Please try to,
I don't understand these riddles and all confuse me. I don't know.
डोली सज धज के इसलिए बैठी है क्योंकि किसी ने कहा था मेहंदी लगा के रखना, डोली सजा के रखना.
Wow, wow,
लेने
wow.
तुझे
What a innovative joke you have come up with, Sahil.
One more question. One more. Let's suppose बहुत सारे किसान जा रहे हैं, ठीक है, और वो लोग ना अटक गए कहीं. So what we call? हम लोग क्या कहेंगे, क्या बुलाएंगे?
Bye.
नहीं, हम लोग नहीं, यहाँ से बाय. मैं बस ये लास्ट क्वेश्चन है, इसके बाद मैं नहीं पूछूंगा ऐसे क्वेश्चन.
No.
People are saying stupid, Sahil, thank you.
No clue.
No clue. किसान जा.
Please.
क्योंकि वो जाम लग गया था ना. Okay.
Very bad.
Now serious questions. The serious question. Okay. How are you working out? Are you taking some inspirations? Are you taking some video notes from somebody else, or like?
No. I have a coach, Saurabh SoFit. I do his workout. That's the 40-day challenge. I posted about it too. So we train every day on Zoom, Monday to Friday.
Okay. Is there anything like which you feel difficult to work out at your home?
Of course, yeah. It's challenging. Like when it comes to space, like I'm doing something and my mom is running around, my dog is coming underneath the mat on top, and then it's just not motivating enough when you're not at a gym space. But I guess everyone has to make do with what they have right now.
Okay. Yeah. Let's suppose ये जो फेम है, ये जो ये सब अगर चले जाए 15 मिनट के लिए, और 15 मिनट के लिए आपको एक आम जिंदगी जीने का मौका, what will you?
आम जिंदगी तो जी रही हूँ, मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि मैं ब्रैड पिट की लाइफ जी रही हूँ. It's normal, it's fine. Everyone जिंदगी is आम only.
You are tense about your future. You're making plans about your future. Let's suppose वो सब कुछ चले जाए, there is nothing, and you just have to live your life. So what you'll do?
Then I just wait for quarantine to end so I can go hang out with my friends.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Lockdown के बाद सबसे पहले आप कहाँ जाने वाली है?
Girlfriends, for sure. Glass of wine, pizza, girlfriend's house.
I think you're missing your friends badly, huh?
Of course. Listen, we are people who every evening hang out together, lie down in each other's houses, watch TV. So this is like something else. This is uncharted territory.
Okay.
Yeah.
Any upcoming projects, like any upcoming movie or web series
yes,
which you're doing right now?
Yes, film, but who knows when and what and how. So let's see.
अगर ये क्वारंटीन नहीं होता तो आपकी फिल्म कब तक आ जाती?
अगर ये क्वारंटीन नहीं होता तो ये मेरी क्या?
ये फिल्म कब तक आ जाती जिसमें आप काम कर रहे हैं?
अगले साल होनी ना? अगले साल.
Okay. Okay. Guilty Part 2. Is there any plans for Guilty Part 2?
What was the story? Ruchi, if she's listening, then I hope she makes it. पर क्या होगा? मेरा और विजय का झगड़ा कहाँ? कोर्ट कचहरी में भी. I'm game.
What is your take on Me Too?
What is my take? I mean, I'm glad it's here. It's a movement which is a long time coming, and it's here to stay. So it's progress. It was high time. Yeah.
Okay. All right. अगर लॉकडाउन के बाद सबसे पहले किसी फूड पे हमला करना होगा, किसी डिश पे हमला करना होगा, वो कौन सी होगी?
Yeah, to go out and eat, yaar. What has not been delivering? Maybe go to what do I like eating? Kitchen Garden मेरे को जाना था, आज खुल गया. I had a Kitchen Garden का salad also. मेरे को खाना ही नहीं पसंद. I hate eating out. That's the funniest part. Something like Yaocha, go and eat some Asian spicy food. Yeah.
Okay. कभी आप राजस्थान आई हैं? This is the question.
No? Yes. I've been to Jodhpur. I've been to Jaipur.
Oh,
I've been to
जैसे
Udaipur.
राजस्थान में गए, जयपुर,
I've been to
होता
Udaipur, Jodhpur, Jaipur, Mount Abu.
जयपुर, यही तो है राजस्थान.
Yeah, sorry. Of course. Yeah.
No problem. I'm just kidding. Okay.
Bastion.
Which
Yes,
is your
my sweet Bastion. I would go to Bastion. Huh.
which is your favorite destination?
LA is my favorite city in the world, but I love London. London. I'm like
Okay.
my go to place.
Okay. Your favorite part of that film, Guilty.
My scene or like any scene or what?
Any scene.
I love the
Which you love
guys when they are sitting and giving galis to each other and just like the fun stuff between the guys. I love that. Yeah.
Okay. Somebody is asking if somebody wants to meet you. Is there any procedure? Do we have to fill
There
a
are
form
500
to meet you?
nakabandis in the city, so if you cross all of
After
them,
this lockdown.
I don't know. I guess somewhere if Kismat has it, we'll bump
Yes, but
into each other.
this is so difficult to meet you guys. Like this is very, very difficult for the fans.
But it's difficult to meet you guys also now. What if someone wants to come meet you? Where will they go?
हाँ,
And my kitchen card is a lot, guys.
They can come to our
Walk in
office.
anytime, you might just spot me.
They can come to our office, yeah. But they can come to Kitchen Guard to meet you.
Yeah, I'm okay.
Yeah. Okay. Any crazy fan moment which you like remember?
Not yet. Not had any yet.
Not yet. Okay. Are you checking? आपको पता है ये सारे questions अभी जब हमने live end किया था ना because of that network issues, ये सब उस बीच में आए, पता है?
कौन से?
उस बीच में ये सारे questions which I'm asking right now.
Okay, great.
ये सब आपके fans के questions हैं.
Yeah.
Okay. So the next question: are you replying to all the DMs? Like
I don't reply,
You're
but I
fan?
read all. I read all, and I reply on comments a lot.
okay.
Yeah.
One thing you like about Instagram?
Everything that you can stalk, and also you can express. You can like you feel something, you just post it. It's like instant gratification. I don't know. Yeah.
Somebody is asking that are you a singer?
No. Have I ever sang? No.
क्या आप गा सकती?
नहीं.
Okay. Which is your favorite, current favorite song on loop? Which you're, listening?
This song, Can't Take My Eyes Off You, the English song, it's a remix of it called I Love You, ALY. Fab. I'm listening to it on loop. Yeah.
Okay. अगर आपको किसी म्यूजिक वीडियो में काम करने का मौका मिलेगा तो क्या आप करेंगे?
कर लिया है ना, तेरे तो नैना already done.
Okay. There is one more question कि अगर ये लॉकडाउन नहीं होता और आप एक्टर नहीं होती तो आप क्या होती? I don't know. मतलब ये क्वेश्चन कैसा है?
PR and marketing. I would be in PR and marketing. I really enjoy that. Yeah.
अगर आपको मौका मिले साहिल से 3 सवाल पूछने का तो what will you ask?
जब मौका मिलेगा then I'll think about it.
मौका मिला है अभी.
Oh shit, I'm not prepared.
मुझे तो लगा मैं गया. Okay, who's your favorite actor?
I told you, no, Irfan Khan.
Okay, yeah, sorry, missed it.
Who do I stalk a lot? I stalk hot girls, hot models. I have an obsession with hot girls.
Okay.
I'm always stalking hot girls.
Okay, how Alia became your friend? Somebody's asking.
We are family friends, so we just grew up being close to each other.
Okay. There is
going so fast was the cut.
Somebody's asking that. Who? Okay, there is one more question. Who is your favorite actress?
Shout out to Karan Lamba. Kangna, Alia. Yeah.
Okay. But that's
Bhumi.
Deepika?
Anushka. I love
Anushka. Okay. You and KL Rahul are good. ऐसा कुछ? Somebody's asking.
We're very good friends.
Okay.
Oh, when did they say? 2 years?
Okay. Somebody is.
Yes, I have dark
Somebody's
circles,
saying
my
something
friend. Undoubtedly, not hiding them. People.
Okay. If I give you an option to kill, to date, or to leave, so आप कैसे और किसे choose करेंगे? I'll give you an option. Varun Dhawan, Shah Rukh Khan, Siddharth Malhotra.
Kill, marry, and leave.
Yeah. Kill, marry, and leave.
kill Varun. He's just called me and spoken some nonsense, and he has got me in a tough situation. So
But
kill
he's so
Varun.
sweet, yeah. He's so sweet.
While I'm on your live, he has pulled a fast one with me. Kill Varun, marry Shah Rukh Khan,
Okay. And leave Siddharth.
maybe why not? He's
Okay.
friends with my friends, so.
Okay. Any good film which you want to suggest us to watch?
I've seen so many. Right now, I just saw the interview on Amazon. It's damn nice. The interview?
Okay.
Yeah, I think it's that. Yeah.
Okay. Do you have OTT platforms or like the cinema, the big screens?
I told you, no? I explained why.
Okay. There is one more question, and that is, what is your skincare routine?
I have a very long skincare routine. I'm a little nutso about my skincare. So at night, I do like, I have dry skin, so I do like a ton of hydration. I have like under eye cream, lip masks, face masks, coconut oil, cream, a little bit too much.
Okay. एक बार please just tell us again what is your next project?
It's under wraps right now, but I haven't signed anything officially, but I will. And just waiting for the lockdown to open up, and then we'll know.
All right. Thank you so much, Akansha, for talking to us.
Thank you.
And it was nice talking to you. And are you following any diet plan?
I don't diet. That's what I also posted, guys, that I eat right and clean and eat whatever the hell I want. Don't diet, please. It's a stupid idea.
Okay. All right. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, Aman. You're the best for watching it 5 times. Watch it 5 more times. Okay, bye.
Bye-bye. Take care. All right, guys. Thank you so much for joining this live video, and we'll be live soon. हम लोग वापस एक बार live आएंगे, but not right now. Tomorrow maybe with 3 more creators. So just stay tuned, and thank you so much for watching this live video. Bye bye. Take care.